Sharky, sharky. What do you like, Eva? Pick one. You want a shark? What's that? I think that's no. Yung jelly. No, look there.
It's slime, slime. Then you don't call it food.
Oh, look pa doon. There's more there. Look there. Go. Go. What about this? It's a shark toy. Oh, shark jelly. Look, touch him. Touch him.
I don't want to see.
What about the slime? Look, oh, there's an alien.
Right there.
You already bought a slime. Dun, lakad ka dun. Go. Bubbles. Like, there's a bubble shark. Oh. You want a bubble? How much is this? You want a bubble?
But it's not too long.
Huh?
It's only super short.
Stingray.
Stingray.
What's this? A shark.
Oh. It's not too short.
Not? How about the crab?
No. How about the shark? What the crab? She's coming out.
Oh, there's a shark bubble, oh. How about the ito, color mo yung shark? You want to color the shark, Eva?
Yeah.
You want that?
Yes.
Careful, you don't touch. Malaglag yan. This one, you want this?
I'm going shark.
Huh?
I'm going
Oh,
shark.
not this one. You want the shark. Okay na, wait. Eva, wait. Hold on. Papa will pull it. Is this this one? Malaglag, ah. Careful. Right.
I want to color them.
You wanna color it?
Yes.
Hold this. Oh. Shh, Eva, hold it.
Yeah. Papa, Mike.
Oh.
Look at that one.
What's that? What's inside? Magic aquarium?
Magic aquarium.
It's a turtle. You want one? Huh? You want a magic turtle? You can bring Ate Gabby a turtle. Eva? No? You wanna buy two, Eva? So for Ate Gabby? Eva? Hindi na yan, not that. Ay. What are you looking for? A shark?
I'm looking.
Ivo, get one for Ate Gabby. Ito, get one for Ate Gabby, ha? Oh, you give this to Ate Gabby, okay?
Okay.
Oh. Okay, let's go pay na. Ito, may bayad ba ito? How do you play this? Magkano to? Look, they have cars here, oh. Drive the car. Really, don't worry. Eva.
Papa, Mike.
Yes.
Let the full car.
How do you start this?
Let the full car.
Eva again, Eva. Eva. Eva, go again. Papa will take a picture. Eva, go slide again. Ivo, try the Canon. Ayun, oh. Ivo.